Time, it's always there, ticking away. From the moment we are born, we experience its relentless march. We measure it in seconds, minutes, hours, days turn into years. Our lives unfold. Time dictates our every move. It tells us when to wake up. It tells us when to eat. It tells us when to sleep. We are bound by its rhythm. But what is time, really? Is it a river flowing in one direction? Some believe time is a dimension, like space. We move through time like we move through space, but unlike space, we can only move forward in time, or can we? Theories suggest we might be able to bend time. Could the future already be happening? The paradox of time continues to intrigue us. Here's a mind-bending thought. What if the future has already happened? What if our lives are like a movie already filmed? We just haven't seen it yet. This idea is called eternalism. Eternalism says past, present, and future are all equally real. They exist simultaneously. Think of a DVD. The beginning, middle, and end of the movie are all on the disc at the same time. But if everything has already happened, do we have free will? Can we change the future if it's already set? This is where things get really complex. If the future is predetermined, our choices might just be illusions. Or perhaps every choice we make creates a new timeline. The paradox of time continues to baffle us. The idea that the future is predetermined creates a paradox. If we could travel back in time and change the past, wouldn't that change the future? And if the future changes, what does that say about our original timeline? This is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you go back in time and accidentally kill your grandfather before your parent is born. This would mean you would never exist. But if you don't exist, how could you have gone back in time to kill your grandfather in the first place? These paradoxes highlight the strange and complex nature of time. It's a concept that has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. The more we explore, the more questions arise, and perhaps the answers lie in the future. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of time. He said time is relative. It's not the same for everyone everywhere. Time can be affected by gravity and speed. Stephen Hawking, another brilliant mind, explored the nature of time and black holes. Black holes have such strong gravity that they warp time. Time slows down as you get closer to a black hole. These scientific theories show us that time is not as simple as we think. It's a fundamental aspect of the universe. It's a mystery we are still trying to unravel. So, did the future already happen? The answer is we don't know. And that's what makes thinking about time so fascinating. The more we learn, the more questions arise. Time remains one of the greatest mysteries of the universe.